Hello friends, welcome to Full House Kitchen. Today we have two amazing salad recipes to share with you, and this is my first salad. I call this iron salad, and as you can see this is amazing, full of nutrients, very tasty and very simple to prepare. And the next one I have is chickpea salad, which is again it has loads of vegetables and you can combine it in your own way, and a very simple dressing with all the things you have in your home. We have not used any store-bought dressing. So without delay, let's start the recipe. So for our first salad, here I have around handful of baby spinach leaves, and into goes handful of rocket leaves nicely washed. And you can use any other leaves, salad leaves for this salad. And I'm a big fan of beetroot, so here I'm using cooked beetroot. You can easily find it in any supermarket, and if you don't have it available, you can also just peel the beetroot and boil it until it's nice and soft. So here I've sliced one big size cooked beetroot, and I'm also adding here some feta cheese. So the base of our salad is ready, and as you can see, I just love the color combination of the salad. It is so inviting yet so nutritious, and it's so tasty. And let's work on our dressing. Dressing is fairly simple. Here I'm using 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. You can use lemon or lime, anything. Into goes half a teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt. I'm using Himalayan salt, around half a teaspoon of red chili flakes, and we are going to give it a good mix so that sugar and salt is nicely dissolved in the lemon juice. And then we are going to add around 1.5 tablespoon of good quality extra virgin olive oil. Give it a good mix and our salad dressing is ready. And now we just need to add the dressing into the salad, and I also prefer to add some nuts, which is completely optional. So here I'm using few walnuts, hazelnut and pumpkin seed, which is completely optional. And if you are preparing in advance, I would say just add the dressing before you serve it, and serve it chilled. And now we just need to give it a good mix and enjoy our salads. This is perfect for big gatherings, easy to assemble, and for barbecue it goes really well. So I hope you will give it a try and do share your comments with us. And now let's proceed to our next salad. And our next salad is chickpea salad. For this I'm using 1 can of chickpea, drained and washed nicely. And into goes few vegetables. Here I'm using boiled potato, cooked beetroot, cucumber, onion, rocket leaves. And you can use any other vegetables of your choice. The red pepper, different color of red pepper really goes well with this. And I have few cherry tomatoes, so I'm going to use some cherry tomatoes. And that's the best part of this salad. There is no thumb rule. You can add whatever you have available. You can add apple to it for the sweetness. And now our base of our salad is ready. So let's start to prepare our dressing. For dressing, here I'm using yogurt. So here I'm taking around 2 to 3 tablespoons of yogurt. I'm trying to take the thick part of the yogurt. And into goes some mustard paste. Whatever mustard you have, if you have Dijon mustard, you can add that. I just have this mustard paste, so I'm using around 1 teaspoon of mustard paste. You can adjust the quantity of mustard paste according to your taste buds. 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, salt and pepper to taste. 1 spoon of honey to balance the flavor. If you don't want to use honey, you can use sugar. And here I'm using sriracha. If you have sriracha, then please use it. It really gives a very nice taste to this salad. So here I'm using around 3/4 teaspoon of sriracha. And now our dressing is ready. Give it a good mix and taste your dressing before adding to the salad, and adjust the flavor of the dressing. And it is, as I said, that it is so simple. Most of the stuff we have it at home, and you can always taste the dressing and adjust it according to your taste buds. And now just add the dressing to the salad and serve it chilled. So it's such a nice simple way to enjoy salad. Again, this can be easily prepared into big batches and perfect for barbecue, for your big parties, I hope you like both the salad recipes. Both are very simple to prepare. Do give it a try and share your comments with us. And we have plenty of more salad and simple recipes on our channel. So please subscribe to our channel and do give it a like if you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.